Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Shortcut to Shortcut. In today's video, we'll take a look at the green screen capabilities of Shortcut. So let's dive right in. So now let's say if I have this one video and then I have another video and I want to place both of these videos together so that the cat appears to be sitting in the meadow. So I want to blend both of these videos together, making it just one continuous video footage. How would I do that? That's when shortcuts, Chroma Key functionality of filters come into play. That allows me to make parts of this video that's on top transparent so that it allows me to see the underlying video. So let's take a look at how we will do that. You would normally get the video that goes on top with a background of green, or actually in this case even other colors would work, but the popular choice is always been green. This allows you to actually remove the green bits and place the cat video on the meadow. So that's what we'll look at today. So if I go to filters and then if I click on Chroma Key simple, you can see that the key color has already been identified as this green. And what this does is the chroma key, it allows you to basically select a color. So let's say if you had a video where the background was completely red, for instance, then you could still use that and just click on this color picker and then select the red color, and then it would pick up that color and basically remove the background from your from the video that's on the top, allowing you to expose the video that is at the bottom. And then of course the distance is the distance to the actual object itself. So how well do you want this layer to be removed? So you can adjust this according to your use case. I think this is all right. So I keep it there. And now if I play this video, you can see now the video of the cat is actually on top of the meadow, and that's how you would normally do it. I can always adjust the zoom of this image, the size of this image as well. So I'll place this here at the bottom, maybe adjust the size of this to make it a more realistic looking scene. Technically, I would want to also adjust the colors, saturation and whatnot, to blend both the videos together. But essentially this was a demo of using Chroma Key itself. So that was it for this video. A quick and easy demonstration of using Chroma Key, i.e. green screen capabilities of Shotcut, to be able to blend two videos together. I hope you liked this quick demo. And if you do, please like, share and comment and subscribe to this channel. Please add in your comments what would you like to see next, and please do stay tuned for more videos to come on this channel. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.